Hello friends. So in this video I am covering very important formula, 3D formula. As the name suggests, it will work in the multiple sheets and you will write your formula within a second for the multiple sheets. So let's begin. Suppose I have this sales data from month wise data. For that I have April, May and June month data, and I just convert into September 21. I have this data and I have to combine this data here. So for this, generally we use this sign that we just combine this monthly one by one. It will take so much time. Right now it has only 5 files with me, but if it has more than 20, 35, it will be very cumbersome for me. So instead of using this, we will start using 3D formula. So let's begin how to write the 3D formula. Just type sum here and just select the first cell from which you want the sum. I want the sum of this cell offshore. Now here the trick, instead of adding all one by one, just press down the shift key and select the last sheet. Now see the my formula get automatically changed from April 21 to semicolon separate September 21, and cell number is C5. So this formula is always written in the quotation mark. Just press the close the bracket and see my total get ready. So in this formula you can also manually type it if you want to. If I just type you how to manually type this formula, just type sum quotation mark, single quotation mark. You have to type the first cell number and then semicolon and the last sheet number September 21, and your quotation mark should close your single quotation mark, then escalation mark and the cell number which you want to total. So in this case it is C6. Just press close. So my sum is ready. So you can also type, it's up to you. You can type manually or you can use the mouse and use the shift key to type the formula. So just copy paste it. My formula get ready. So only thing in this formula that your all data should be in the same format, otherwise it will not work. Now suppose I have missed one month to be added in there. Suppose I have April, May and June I have missed. So if I add June here, it will automatically update it my data. So suppose I will increase this value to this. If I just see my offshore value is 107 here. If I add June here, my combined value get changed to 1,107. If I change anything here, so it's dynamic formula, whatever you're changing, your value get changed. Only thing is that it will work only when you add any value between April to September month. If I add any new sheet after September, this formula not work. So it's always better you have one last cell which is more than, which is in between where you want. So I will add this to April to March 22 with blank value, and whenever new month will come I will add before the March 22 so that it will be added in my formula. So see, now my formula get changed to April to March 22. So by this way you can easily combine it's up to multiple of cells. It's up to you. So hope you like this video. Please share, subscribe to my channel.